So if there's ever a problem, this screen will turn bright red and say error. And then there's a beeper inside that I turn on that comes on at 8 in the morning till 8 at night. So if it's in a closet or a crawl space or someplace where you don't see it all the time, tucked away in the corner of a garage, if this ever turns bright red and says error, and you hear a beep, 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 it's not like your smoke detectors or anything, it's not that loud, that will call to your attention to it. And if you'll give us a call, and there'll be a sticker on the top of the brine tank with our phone number on it, just give us a call. We'll have you do one thing over the phone. If that doesn't solve the problem, then we'll come on out and take care of it for you. And to stop the beeping noise, press any button and that'll stop the beeping noise also.